In this session, we are going to discuss the problem based on Laplace transform. So here we are taken the function cos hyperbolic square 3t. First, we have to consider the function and let me define it as f of t for cos hyperbolic square 3t. We know that the cos hyperbolic AT formula. Let me write the general format or general formula for cos hyperbolic AT. It is e to the power of AT plus e to the power of minus AT divided by 2. Now you have to compare with the given function. Instead of a, we have a 3. Let me write for cos hyperbolic 3t, replace a with the 3. So we are getting e to the power of 3t plus e to the power of minus 3t divided by 2. But in the given function, we have cos hyperbolic square 3t. So therefore, we have to square on both sides. So cos hyperbolic square 3t will be changing as e to the power of 3t plus e to the power of minus 3t by 2 whole square. Now, we have to analyze it. Which standard formula we can apply? Here how it is looks like a plus b whole square divided by, we have 2 also. So that's what we will be writing, divided by 2. The square is belongs to both numerator as well as denominator. According to the law of indices, we can write a plus b whole square divided by 2 square. See, we know that a plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2 into ab divided by 2 square is 4. Now, let me adopt the formula for the given function. See, instead of a, we have 3 here. Instead of b, we have minus 3. Okay. So, let me write e to the power of 3t plus e to the power of minus 3t whole square divided by 2 square is what? 4. So a plus b whole square expansion we written. Here you have to replace a by what? 3 and b by what? Minus 3. So let me expand it. See, 1 by 4 let me take outside. E to the power of 3t whole square is e to the power of 60. We are using the law of indices format, that is a to the power of m whole to the power of n is a to the power of m into n. In this function, a is e and m is a 3t and n is 2. So that's what we written e to the power of 60. Same way, plus b square. Here b is e to the power of minus 3t whole square. We have to adopt the law of indices. A to the power of m whole to the power of n. N is what? Whole square, right? N is 2. So e to the power of minus 6t we can write. So let me write as e to the power of minus 60. Okay. Plus 2 into a is what? E to the power of 3t. E to the power of 3t. Into b is e to the power of minus 3t. Now we can observe that if the base is same, then power can be added. We have the law of indices a to the power of m into a to the power of n is plus n. So now let me adopt this formula for e to the power of 3t into e to the power of minus 3t. Then e to the power of 3t minus e to the power of 3t, right? So we have opposite sign, it will be get cancelled. So e to the power of 0 value is what? 1. So we can write e to the power of 3t into e to the power of minus 3t as what? 1. So let me write 1 by 4 into e to the power of 60 plus e to the power of minus 60 plus 2. And this value is what? 1. We can observe here how we simplified. Now, our f of t has been ready, right? Now we have to adopt the Laplace transform on both sides. We know the Laplace transform property that Laplace transform of f of t plus g of t. Here we are taken only two functions. The Laplace will be taken place to this linear property as Laplace of f of t plus Laplace of g of t. If it is a minus, we will get minus in this sign. The same rule let we adopt to this function. So Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 by 4 into Laplace transform of e to the power of 60 plus Laplace transform of e to the power of minus 60 plus 2 is a constant. So let me take outside the operator. Laplace transform of 1. We know that the Laplace transform of e to the power of at. So Laplace transform of e to the power of at is what? 1 over s minus a. So here a is plus 6. Same thing we have to adopt to the second term. A is here minus 6. So Laplace transform of e to the power of 60 is 1 over s minus 6 plus Laplace transform of e to the power of minus 60 we have. So 1 over s minus of minus 6 because here a value is what? Minus 6. And Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. So Laplace transform of given function, that is cos hyperbolic square 3t, is 1 by 4 into 1 by s minus 6 plus minus into minus is a plus. So 1 over s plus 6 plus 1 by s.